Need to replace a wheel on your pitboss Austin XL? Today we're swapping it for a brand new one, and this grill carries both kinds, locking casters up front and fixed wheels on the axle side, so we'll cover each. We'll walk it in clean technical diagrams to see the repair from angles that are hard to catch on camera. It's an easy job, about 15 minutes with a wrench, pliers, and a friend to tip the grill. Let's get into it. Step 1. Get the weight off the corner. But first, pull the plug, latch the lid shut, and have your helper steady the grill. Then, we can work. Tip the grill just far enough that the bad wheel hangs free, and keep it braced the whole time. This machine is heavy and top-heavy. Respect it. Step 2. If it's a locking caster, the front pair, it mounts on a threaded stem. Spin the old caster out of the leg, thread the new one in until it seats, and snug the stem nut against the leg. Give the brake lever a couple of test flips while it's in reach. Step 3. If it's a fixed wheel, the axle pair, it's a cotter pin job. Grab the pin at the end of the axle with pliers, straighten its legs, and pull it. With the pin out, the washer slides free. It rides between the pin and the wheel hub, so keep track of it. It goes back in the same spot. Then the old wheel slides right off the bare axle. Hang the new wheel, set the washer back in place, and push a fresh cotter pin through the hole with the legs bent apart. Never reuse a tired cotter pin. Time to prove it. Set the grill down and roll it a few feet. It should track straight, no wobble, no scrape. Flip the caster brakes down and push. Locked means locked. Then check the stance. All 4 corners planted, no rocking. Pass all 3, and this repair is finished. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.